Hello, my name is Christophe Gervelo with Sonim Technologies, and I'm here to talk to you about Sonim's first rugged Bluetooth remote speaker microphone, also known as the Sonim BTR-155. The Sonim BTR-155 is the next generation Bluetooth-enabled push-to-talk device. It was designed for on-the-job professionals who demand constant hands-free communication in tough environments. The Sonim Bluetooth RSM includes industry-leading features such as overall ruggedness, the speed and reliability of Bluetooth 3.0 technology, and the unique ability to support both push-to-talk and full duplex calls. These attributes make the Sonim RSM a great fit for many use cases in various industries, such as police and security, first response, construction, heavy industry, and transportation. In addition, the Sonim BTR-155 is a perfect complement for the professional ultra-rugged Sonim XP5520 BOLT handset. Now let's first talk about the key features of the Sonim BTR-155. The Sonim RSM features large buttons, professional-grade hardware, and a design to operate while wearing gloves. It can also handle drops on concrete of 1.5 meters from any angle. Manage push-to-talk and full duplex calls including accept, reject, and end calls, and last number redial. With maximum volume of 97 decibels, the Sonim RSM can easily be heard in loud environments. The Sonim RSM includes digital sound processing based noise suppression technology so that you can also be heard in the middle of a construction site. With 200 hours of standby, 20 hours of talk time, the RSM can support well over 2 typical work shifts. The Sonim RSM provides latency under 150 milliseconds for guaranteed instant communication. The battery of the Sonim Bluetooth RSM will charge under 2 hours and can even be used while charging. The Sonim RSM features the reliability and speed of Bluetooth 3.0 technology. The Sonim BTR-155 is compatible with many 3.5mm wired audio accessories, and it can double as a car kit for voice calls. Now let's go over key functions of the BTR-155 remote speaker microphones from Sonim. It includes a multifunction button to power on and off, to pair with handsets, to answer and reject calls, and also to answer waiting calls and switch between active calls, and lastly to dial the last called number. It includes an indicator light with 5 different colors that indicate various statuses of the RSM, a push-to-talk button, volume up button, volume down button, a micro USB charging connector, a 3.5mm connector for earpieces, a microphone, a speaker, and a 360-degree rotating clip. Here's more about the Sonim BTR-155. The Sonim BTR-155 is typically worn clipped onto the lapel at upper chest level. It can also double as a car kit if clipped onto the visor of a vehicle for full duplex voice calls. For best performance, make sure to speak directly towards the microphone. Before you can start using this device, make sure to first charge the battery for about 2 hours and then pair it with your Sonim phone. To power on the BTR-155, press and hold the multifunction button for 2 seconds until the purple light turns on. To power off the BTR-155, proceed the same way by pressing and holding the multifunction button for about 4 seconds. Here's how to pair your Sonim BTR-155 with the Sonim phone. From the RSM, press and hold the multifunction button for 6 seconds until the blue and red lights start flashing. From your phone, go to Menu, down to Settings, scroll over to Connectivity, and down to Bluetooth to power the Bluetooth on. Then go down to Search New Device and look for the device to show up on the list. You will be looking for the name BTR-155 Sonim. Cancel the search, press the pair button, and your devices should be paired. Accept pairing from the BTR-155, press yes. Allow this device to connect automatically, press yes. And your device should be connected. If not, from the Bluetooth menu, go down to My Device, highlight the BTR-155 Sonim, and hit the center button to connect. Now the two devices are connected. After first time use, the RSM will automatically connect with the last pair device within 10 meters when powered on. Here's how to use the push-to-talk function with your Sonim BTR-155. From your Sonim handset, press the left side key to pull up the push-to-talk menu. The first tab will show you the call log. The second tab will show you the contact list. Go down to a contact that you will wish to call, and from that point on, press and hold on the RSM the PTT button, like such. During a push-to-talk call, you will proceed exactly the same way by pressing and holding the push-to-talk button to talk and take the floor, and releasing it when you're done talking. Please make sure that you press the end button on the phone in order to end a push-to-talk call. Now here's how to use your Sonim BTR-155 for voice calls. Simply dial a number as usual, and the audio will be automatically routed into your BTR-155. The multifunction button will be used for ongoing calls to accept a call with a short press, end a call with a short press, reject a call with a long 2-second press. Swap from two ongoing calls by pressing and holding the multifunction button for 2 to 3 seconds. You can also use the multifunction button by double-clicking it in order to call the very last number that was dialed. Sonim backs the BTR-155 RSM with a 1-year comprehensive warranty, which includes even accidental damages, because we know that the majority of our customers work in conditions that are far from the comfort of an office. Thank you. And for more information, please look us up at www.sonimtech.com.